Okay, springing teal. So for some people it's their #1 bogey bird, but it's quite a simple bird to shoot because it's always in a straight line. A few things to watch out for. One is not to dip your barrels as you mount, because you'll get so far left behind from the bird that you'll meet it with a huge speed and go past it. So always keep the muzzles going up with the bird as you mount, so you've got your visual connection. You just pass the bird, pull the trigger, and it really is that simple. Nothing's easy in shooting. If it was easy we would all be champions, but it's very simplistic. Just come in from behind, as you pass it, pull the trigger.